Hi there, so in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can launch your affiliate marketing business in less than 24 hours with ClickFunnels and start earning commissions in only a couple of days, often less than or within 48 hours. So with that said, let's crack on with the video and give you some real value. So what is ClickFunnels? So ClickFunnels is what I believe to be the best sales funnel and lead page builder, and if that is absolute gobbledygook for you, all you need to understand, it allows you to easily and quickly create landing pages. Just think of a landing page like a web page, but very specific, that promotes and sells, or that allows you to promote and sell your products online. So the best way to think about it, unless you've lived in a cave for the past 30 years, I'm sure you bought something online. Basically, you've gone to a page and bought something. That is what ClickFunnels allows you to do quickly and easily. And I'm going to show you how you can do that using affiliate marketing and get it all set up quickly. So if you want to start an affiliate marketing business, you've got no idea where to start, best place to start is ClickBank. ClickBank has got a lot of great products for you to promote that can give you a lot of commission. So what I do, if you want to get started with ClickBank, which is probably the best way to start, there's loads of other ways to find products, but ClickBank is probably a good place to have a look. First, sign up for a ClickBank account really easy. Go to the marketplace, click on top offers, and all of these offers are the best paying and highest converting offers. Now, the top one is called Exapure. It's crushing it at the moment. Average commission is $151 per new customer that you generate. Not only that, if the customer stays, you get a $35 a month rebill. So you're getting that up front plus a rebill of $35. Obviously, that's the top performing one, but there's a ton of other offers as well. So what you want to do is just do a little bit of research behind these offers. Go to the affiliate page, read about it, do a bit of research, and if it makes sense to promote it, then pick one of these offers. You can click your affiliate, you can click promote, put your nickname in, get your affiliate link, and bang, you're good to go. Right, you've chosen your product. What do we do next? Right, what you want to do is we need to create something called a pre-cut. This is kind of like the overall strategy of how this is going to work. This is how I have built a 6-figure plus business using ClickFunnels and simple little landing pages. What you want to do is take your product and create a pre-cut page using ClickFunnels for this product. Now, what is a pre-cut page? Well, rather than explain it, here's one I created earlier. This is one of the offers I promote. So basically, this is called Jeff Clark Trade, and all this does is this just primes people to purchase the affiliate offer. So, you put a catchy headline here, tell them what the product is, put an irresistible offer, put a product image, a button, and this is how much it's going to be, and this is where the affiliate link is going to go. When people click on this takes people to the page, and this is the affiliate page where people can make a purchase. So they go down here, enter their credit card information. If they pay, bang, you get a commission. Nothing more complicated than that. Really, really easy. So let me show you very quickly how this works. So that is what a pre-cut page is. Next thing you think is, well, why do I need a pre-cut page? Well, the strategy I'm going to show you, you're going to need one, because where a lot of people go wrong is they just put, if they use ads or YouTube, they'll just put their affiliate link in ads. And if you've ever seen an affiliate link before, it's just a really jumbled up link. And Google, Bing ads, and a lot of the other affiliate networks will not allow you to promote direct affiliate links. And if you're using organic YouTube, which we are, quite often YouTube won't allow you to use affiliate links. So it just won't hypertext it so people can't click on it. So you need a pre-cut page. Is the best way to do it, especially if you're going to be using ads. So you've chosen your product. You've created your pre-cut page, which takes, I can get one of these little pages that I showed you here set up in less than 10 minutes now. I can do it really, really quickly. If you're a newbie, might take you an hour, 2 hours to do if you're starting from scratch, but you can get one of these set up so easy, so simple to do. Right, okay, you've got your pre-cart page set up. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put your affiliate link in on the button that links to the affiliate page, which is the product you're promoting, where people will make a purchase. Obviously, if you make a purchase, you get a commission. Right, what we've got to do now is figure out how we're going to send customers who are going to purchase the affiliate offer that you're promoting. The way I've done it is to use Google or Bing ads. Don't worry, you're probably thinking you're going to have to spend a lot of money. You don't. When I started doing this, I was spending 10, 15 pounds a day, which is about $20 max. You can even start off on $10 a day. And also, I use organic YouTube. Now, what you want to do is, the way I've done it, is you want to bid on the terms for the product you're promoting. So say for Jeff Clark Trader is the offer I promote, one of the offers I promote. You launch a Google or Bing ads campaign, and you bid on the product name. So Jeff Clark Trader. So when people search Jeff Clark Trader on Google and Bing, they click on it, then they take the pre-cart page, go through the process, boom, you get commission. The reason why this is so powerful is because people are already searching for these products. They're in buying mode, just want to know a little more information, and they purchase. Typically, with these type of campaigns, you can get conversion rates up to 10% or more. So super easy to make lots of commission and high profits. Now, one disclaimer: if you're using ads to promote these products, not all affiliate networks or product companies will allow you to bid on brand terms. If that's the case, don't panic, because what you can do is just go a layer down. So say, for example, you're promoting, let's say, okay, Exipure, great example. This company does not allow you to bid on the product which is called Exipure, which is a weight loss product or weight loss pills. No problem. What you need to do then is just think, okay, I can't bid on this exact product. Just bid on weight loss supplements, which has got a huge search volume. So what you can do then is just bid on people searching for the kind of product you're approaching, promoting, such as weight loss supplements. You get the idea. Super powerful, really high converting. Now, if you're worried and you haven't got ad spend, another great tactic, which is probably the hottest traffic of 2022, is start a YouTube channel. You're probably thinking, oh my God, it's going to take ages to get up. I don't want to be on video. You don't have to. Super simple. All you need to do with YouTube, set up a YouTube channel, which will take you probably an hour. Really simple to do. Record videos of a product you're promoting. In often cases, you don't even need to buy the product. Just show your landing page. Just say the product's great. Show them how much it is. Blah de blah. You just want to review the product and talk about the product. Then what you do for these YouTube videos that you've created for the affiliate product is rank them for the product name. So, for example, if we're for Jeff Clark Trader, I'd rank the videos for Jeff Clark Trader. It's the hottest traffic strategy of 2022. So simple, and quite often, if there isn't too much competition, your videos can start ranking within 24 to 48 hours. It's going to get a load of traffic to your videos, and it's going to generate you commission. But also with YouTube, you can go for other keywords as well within the niche. So you can bid on all sorts of terms. Really powerful strategy that you can do, and that is the quick. So in a nutshell, this is the fastest and easiest way to start your affiliate marketing business. Pick a product on ClickBank, create a pre-cart page for it in ClickFunnels, one like this. Will take you, if you're new, might take a couple of hours set up. Bang your affiliate link in here. Boom, you're ready to go. Set up a simple Google or Bing ads campaign, driving traffic to it, bidding on the product term. Start at $5, $10 a day. If you're not allowed to do that, set up a YouTube channel and start bidding for the product and other relevant keywords. Simple as that. I've built a 6-figure business doing that using affiliate marketing, and you can too. And I've all done it with ClickFunnels. This is my ClickFunnels account, so I use it actively. As you can see, these are all my different landing pages I use. And most of the pages I'm using to promote are just simple little pages like this. Bang, easy. Now, if you're excited and you want to start your affiliate marketing business today using the strategy that I've shown you, why not start your free ClickFunnels free trial today? Get inside the members area and start creating your first pre-cart page. Start promoting your first affiliate marketing product using the strategy that I have shown you. If you want to get a free ClickFunnels trial, which is free for 14 days, I'll put a link down in the description. Click the link, try for free, sign up, and you'll get a free 14-day trial for 14 days. Basically, after 14 days, you will go onto a paid plan. You got a $97 a month option or $297. My advice is start on $97 a month option. You might be panicking, thinking, oh my God, $97 is a lot of money. It isn't. If you want to start a business, you've got to invest in yourself. And if you follow this strategy and you're smart and you work hard, you'll cover the cost of ClickFunnels, hopefully within your first 14 days. So if you're excited to get going, start your ClickFunnels free trial. Put a link down in the description. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to put a link to a YouTube course done by Paul Murphy. It's called Affiliate Tube Success Academy. It's the best YouTube course out there to show you how to rank simple videos like I've shown you, so you can rank them for keywords on YouTube. This is what I follow. This is the course I've gone through and I followed. Super powerful. And you can start ranking YouTube videos for your affiliate products within 24 hours and start making commission. So get going with ClickFunnels today. Get your free trial, link in the description. Sign up for ClickFunnels. Follow the strategy that I've shown you. Go for this video as many times as you need. Get going. Have a look at the YouTube course. Get that if you want, because it's absolute gold. And get out there and start your affiliate marketing business, because using this strategy, you could be up and running within 24 hours. Hopefully you found this video useful, and I'll speak to you soon.